Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our new show. This is Wendy from Xiamen of Power System. We design and manufacture with digital generator say air compressor and lighting tower since 2009 years. Today I want to introduce our digital air compressor 1A CFM 10 bar 1.2 meters. This digital driving air compressor developed by our company for the Australian market and used in mining fleet. This product fully complies with the local certification in Australia. The features compact size with low-fuel conversation, like Airman PTS 1A5S. This is the first time continuous order from our customers since 2018. Because of our products are deeply liked by local customers due to reliable performance, high performance, complete use, and parts maintenance, and easy maintenance. We adopt the Chinese good performance 4-wind engine with 4-cylinder 2.7 dispatchable natural aspirated 2,500 RPM, 42 kW rate power, low fuel conversation. We use the international famous brand AirN with SKF bearing, single stage without gear. The design life of 20,000 hours can guarantee 2 years without limited hours. The high quality of the AirN has cast the international quality characteristic of GDL air compressor. As we know, besides of engines and AirN, the radiator also very important. This part we designed accordingly to the ambient temperature of 55 degrees and large margin capability ensures that air compressor will not trip if high temperature in hot summer. This radiator is aluminum plate structure which has long service life. The warranty is 2 years. For the pipeline systems, we use valves of international quality including intake valve, safety valve, thermostat control valve, and an integrated block with pressure regulation and automatic venting functions independently developed by GDL. The pipeline is simply and evenly easy to repair the breakdown maintenance. The design of the instrument also integrates all data and alarms. Our goal is to make an intelligent machine that not only has a friendly interface but also saves diagnostics and continue to create value for customer. This one for fuel gauge, this one for pressure gauge, for maintenance replacement of oil separator, fuel filter, air filter, engine air filter, fuel filter. All of we are carefully arranged to ensure that customer maintenance arrive directly and very convenient. There are 3 air outlet valves which can be connected to 3 terminals for air, such as pneumatic pick and other pneumatic tools, which are convenient for customers to use on site. Okay, today I finished introduce our 1A5 CFM compressor. If you have any question or any inquiry, welcome you contact us or visit our website www.cngtl.com. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.